Florence Nightingale was a nurse that actually started professional nursing in the Crimean War in the late 80s and so forth. And she would go through the wards with this little lamp and see patients late in the evening and late hours and so forth. And she started professional nursing. So there's one nurse that I think is very special that people on IV therapies always ask for this nurse. They say, I want to be my nurse to do my infusions at home care. Who would that be? Anybody know? Anybody here has had a special nurse they want to have? Who's that special nurse, Louis?
Jackie Martin.
Jackie Martin. Jackie, you're our Florence Nightingale. Jackie's our Florence Nightingale Award. She's the one nurse that everybody loves. She can get the IV the first time. She's got a heart of gold. She's a true compassionate nurse. So you get to lead the nurses in the walk. Congratulations. And your name is going to go on my plaque over there and all that kind of stuff, okay? Then you get to ring the bell. Now, so as a ministering angel, which you are, you know, the lady with the lamp was Florence Nightingale. And there's a phrase by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow that said, "Lo, in that house of misery, a lady with a lamp I see, pass through the glimmering gloom and flirt from room to room." Jackie, you've been a very special person to all my patients and many other doctors' patients. Thank you and congratulations. Now I want you to have this lamp. And then Jackie's going to lead the nurses through here. And Jackie, thank you again. A round of applause for Jackie. And all you wonderful nurses. So go walk through that when you get to ring the bell. We'll get your picture. Walk slow for... Okay. Very good. And nurses... Hey, this is special. Nurses Week is next month. Now we have plenty of food and you can also take food home. We're going to have the raffle in about 15 minutes. So raffle will go off in about 15 minutes. Silent auction will close in about 15 minutes.